The year 2025 marks a turning point for nutrition in America. The 2025 to 2030 dietary guidelines for Americans are here. These guidelines are incredibly important. They shape the way we eat. They influence food choices across the nation. This year's guidelines bring a big change. They recommend a plant-based way of eating. This means filling our plates with more fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. These foods are packed with nutrients. They promote good health. They help prevent chronic diseases. This shift towards plant-based eating is a major step. It aligns with a growing body of scientific evidence. Research shows that plant-based diets offer numerous health benefits. They are linked to lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. One of the biggest changes in the guidelines is the focus on protein. For the first time, plant-based proteins are given priority. This is a significant departure from previous guidelines. It reflects a growing understanding of the impact of animal protein on health. The guidelines now recommend plant-based protein sources over animal-based ones. This means choosing beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh over meat, poultry, and eggs. Why the change? Research suggests that animal protein may be linked to negative health outcomes. To emphasize this shift, the AI guidelines have expanded the protein foods category. Beans, peas, and lentils now share the spotlight with soy products. This change highlights the nutritional value of these plant-based powerhouses. The 2025 to 2030 guidelines also address other important aspects of a healthy diet. One notable change is the recommendation for water as the primary beverage. This means choosing water over sugary drinks, juices, and even dairy milk. Water is essential for hydration. It is naturally calorie-free. It is the best choice for quenching thirst. Another key recommendation is the call for mandatory sodium reduction targets. The guidelines urge the government to set limits on the amount of sodium in processed foods. This is crucial because excess sodium contributes to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. The overall message of the guidelines is clear: focus on nutrient-dense, minimally processed foods. This means choosing whole grains over refined grains, whole fruits over fruit juices, and fresh vegetables over processed snacks. These foods provide the vitamins, minerals, and fiber your body needs to thrive. The 2025 to 2030 dietary guidelines for Americans represent a significant step forward in promoting public health. The shift towards plant-based eating patterns, the prioritization of plant-based proteins, and the emphasis on nutrient-dense foods are all positive changes. These guidelines offer a roadmap to a healthier future for all Americans. By embracing these recommendations, we can reduce our risk of chronic diseases, improve our overall well-being, and create a more sustainable food system. It's time to make plants the stars of our plates and reap the countless benefits they offer.